Hey crafty cuties. So I was planning to have a video up today. I was going to do a live video, but the day slipped away. So I had a request to do a full flip through of this paper pad, so I'm going to do that. So I also went to Michael's today and I filmed another shop with me video. If you saw, I had one like a few days ago, but I went to a different location that had a ton of the new paper pads that are out. And I did some really quick flip throughs of most all of the newer ones. So that will be out soon. I know there's some of those already up on YouTube, but just in case any of the paper pads I found were, you know, new or different, you guys can see that. And so I skipped flipping through this one just because, like I said, someone specifically asked to see this one like in detail. So I wanted to do this a little bit slower for you guys, and then especially since I wasn't able to do a live video today. But this paper pad is so pretty. I think it's just a little bit different than the normal Hot Buys. It just has a little bit more vintagey vibe, and I love it. Like, it has, if you can see, like some of these flowers are super distressed looking. If I could find this one again, I would probably buy a second, to be honest. These are really cute. The paper pads were 70% off today, and then there was an additional 25% off, like, for rewards members. So they did end up being around $4.50 or something like that. I know the sale will not be happening like by the time this video's up, but you guys know they have those sales all the time. That is so pretty. So, you know, I would say if you're looking to get some paper pads and you didn't catch this sale, just be on the lookout because they will definitely have more. There's another floral like this. I can't wait to use this in a junk journal. It's going to be so pretty. I actually have some fabric that kind of goes along with this, kind of matches, and I was thinking of doing that. But even this, I feel like this is like a little bit more in the Tim Holtz than Recollections normally is, so it's kind of nice to see. I really wish that there were more Hot Buy paper pads that were more along the lines of this style. But not usually. Most of it's like super bright and I don't know, I feel like kind of cartoonish in a way, you know, like, I don't know. But I was very happy to find this one, and I'll show you what this one's called again in case you are looking to get this one. Super pretty foiled. And then I think we are just about to the end. Look at that. I mean, that looks coffee dyed. That is so pretty. That looks so coffee dyed. And then this is like just a bunch of little kind of, you could use that as cut parts or as a full page. And again, this one was called English Rose Garden, and it is a Hot Buy. So there you go. I honestly forget who requested this, but I said I would get it out for you. So there you go. And I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye guys.